Right here is the Redtiger dash cam front rear 4K 2.5K full dash HD camera for cars. Included 32GB card, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, 3.16-inch IPS screen, night vision, 170-degree angle, WDR 24-hour parking mode. Quick start guide, other accessories, 12-volt power, camera. Here's secondary camera, tool, sticky pads. Powered up here with the 12-volt converter, and we're gonna plug it in. It's got a mini SD card inside of it. It says to format it first. Plug this in, and I think it just starts recording right away. Yep, there it goes. So that indicates that essentially when you power up and you turn your car on, it starts recording right away. You can see there's the image, and it's got the record light on. So car's on, camera's recording. That's how it rolls. Now we have the rear camera here. So let's plug the rear camera in. So we're gonna plug that in. A little light comes on in the back of the rear camera. So that's so you don't have to remember to turn on and off the camera, because that would be kind of pointless, because you need it to roll automatically. And we can get ourselves back to the recording window, and again the recording, and then you have the secondary window inside the rear camera right there. So that's me, boom, 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 you got it. So you have your little rear camera recording in there too. So pretty slick and relatively easy so far to set up. You've got your mode and your playback on the side here. So if I'm pressing mode, a menu comes up. Now I can toggle to video playback. It is not a touch screen, so everything goes through the mode button. And then this is in playback mode. So yeah, settings, as you can see, settings, playback, toggle through right there, and you can choose what you want. You got resolution, audio, date stamp, loop, sensor. I guess that's in case it looks like the car gets hit. Fatigue, so that's a time, driving time. Speed, GPS stamp. Speed units, GPS info, rear cam flip, mirror flip, app download, Wi-Fi, language, time format, date time, time zone, DST, daylight savings time, frequency, click tone, screen, parking, format, car, speed, default setting, version, help center. If we go to format, it says format, and then it says all data will be deleted. I'm gonna go ahead and format that chip. So you have a back button here. That's also the power button, and we can get ourselves back to the recording window. And again, the recording starts to go automatically. Yeah, the Redtiger F7NP. Pretty easy to set up, although you are going to have to hide the cable and run it all the way back, and be aware that, of course, these cameras all use the cigarette lighter style. There is no other power input. So that's it. Good little device, and good resolution.